Hello, my dear students. Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Welcome back once again in the EVS class after the examination. Today onwards, we would be dealing with the chapters which are coming in our UT2 exam. The syllabus of UT2 exam would be shared with you very soon. Here, the very first chapter of our UT2 syllabus is kinds of houses. Students, in this chapter, we will be coming to know about the importance of a house and also the different kinds of houses people make in different areas. Now, here we move with the chapter. The very first line starts with a very basic question. Where is your house? What is its color? Who all live with you in your house? Discuss with the class. Definitely, we all live with our family members in our house. A family may be nuclear or joint, but still we all live with our family members in our house. Moving further, we all live in a house. A house is important for us. We feel safe in it. The very basic reason of living together in a house is that we feel safe in our house. Do you know, students, early men used to live in caves just because to protect themselves from the different climatic conditions and also from the attack of the harmful animals. Later, they started making their houses on trees. They used to cut big trees and make houses on them because of the same reason, to protect themselves from the attack of the harmful animals. Today also, we all live in a house just because of the same reason. A house protects us from heat, cold, rain, storm, animals, and thieves. Now, moving further, we would be coming to know about the different kinds of houses and why people make different kinds of houses in different areas. Let's see. Houses may be kacha or pakka and they may be big or small. Houses are different based on their size or material they are made of. Houses may be big or small depending upon the materials used in making them. The size also vary just because of the materials used in making in them. Now, here we would come to know about kacha house and pakka house. Let's see what is a kacha house. A house which is made of mud, straw, sticks, bamboo, dry leaves and even wood is a kacha house. It is usually found in villages. Kacha houses are made of mud, straw, sticks, bamboo, dry leaves and wood. Such houses are found in villages. These houses are not very strong and they are not permanent also. Now we come to know about pakka house. A house which is made of bricks, cement, iron, glass, steel and concrete is a pakka house. It is usually seen in towns and cities. A pakka house can be single-storied, double-storied or multi-storied. Pakka houses are made of bricks, cement, iron, glass, steel and concrete. Such houses are found in towns and cities. These houses are permanent and the materials used in them are advanced. Pakka house can be single-storied, double-storied or multi-storied. Now here we come to differentiate between the pakka house and kacha house. A kacha house is found in villages whereas pakka houses are found in towns and cities. The materials used in making the kacha house and pakka house are different. Such houses like kacha houses are not permanent whereas pakka houses are permanent. Now students, we would be coming to know about other kinds of houses where people live. Such houses which we are going to discuss now are affected by the climatic factors. People make different kinds of houses in different areas because of the reason the changes in climatic condition. Let's see. The very first kind of house is igloo. It is a house made of ice and snow and is found in extremely cold places. People living in them are called Eskimos. Igloos is found in the polar areas like in North Pole and South Pole where there is extreme cold. People cut hard ice and make igloo with them. Now, the people who live in igloo, or you can say in extreme cold places, like are called Eskimos. Now, here we move with the next kind of house, that is houseboat. As per the name suggests, a house which is made on boat. It is a house built on a boat. It has many rooms and is usually seen in Kashmir. A houseboat is a house which is built on a boat. It has all the facilities as we have in our normal houses. The difference is that these houses are made on boat. It has many rooms and usually found in Kashmir. Not only in Kashmir but also in Kerala. These houses are source of tourist attraction also. Now we move to the next kind of house, tent. This is the picture of a tent. It is a house made from canvas or thick cloth. This type of house is used mostly by people living in deserts or by campers. Canvas is a kind of house which is made of tent is a kind of house which is made of canvas or thick cloth. Such kind of houses are made by people who live in deserts and also by the people who go for camping. These houses are also made by the people who live in different places, who move from one place to another in search of food and work, and also because of the climatic reasons. Now, the next kind of house is stilt house. It is a house built on bamboo pillars and is found in areas where it rains heavily. Such houses like stilt houses are built on bamboo pillars, and these houses are found in those areas where there is heavy rainfall. Such houses have slopes on them. Now, the last kind of house is caravan. It is a house built on wheels which can be moved from one place to another. Caravan is a kind of house which is built on wheels. And it has all the facilities as we have in our normal houses. It has a room, dining room, a place for the driver to drive. So students, here we come to end the chapter. Please go through the chapter and read the chapter carefully, understand it, and try to solve the exercises in your rough notebook which are given in your EVS book. I would be sharing the PDF of the exercises to you. Please note them down in your EVS classwork notebook. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you.